Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the HYLOGY Thermometer for fever digital medical infrared forehead and ear thermometer for babies, kids and adults. And all over the world, you can check the temperature of objects with this device. With fever indicators CE and FDA approved. Infrared technology. Adopt advanced imported probe and sensitive sensor. Infrared technology, no direct contact to baby skin to avoid cross-infection with outside germ. Within 1 second, accurate readings will be displayed in the oversized LED screen by one key service. It has a 4-in-1 multifunction function. It is not only measuring body temperature, forehead and ears, but also measure temperature objects, baby milk, food, bath water, etc. and ambient temperature. Suitable for families, infants, children and adults. Was powerful clinical trials by medical expert and paediatricians. Smart 2-color reminder. Green indicates normal temperature. The red indicates fever, offering a timely judge for baby's health. Also a silent mode to avoid waking up sleeping baby while measuring. LCD backlight display screens offers easy and clear readings even in the dark. Memory function is on board, recording the temperature reading of the last 20 times, allowing you to track temperature fluctuations. Turn off automatically after 30 seconds to save battery power. And you can switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. That can be converted with a specially designed drawstring bag, much easier to carry and stay clean. It conforms to CE, FDA and ROHS certification standards. Oh, that it is. It's a nice product. I've used it before. And we are going to see it later on my body itself. Fast and accurate. HYLOGY clinical thermometer with precision infrared technology from German Smith Heinemann GmbH. Reliable temperature in only 1 second. It has an ergonomic design and there is a drawstring bag on board. Nice to carry. You have to use it easily, really easy. But first, I will show you how to get the batteries inside. Only rotate the device, and then you can open the battery case. Then insert the batteries, take care of the plus and the minus pole, and close the cover. Job's done. Easy. And then there it is. You have or you can use it by using the mode button on the bottom side and press this bottom side mode button for approx 6 seconds, I think. And then you can see on the screen on the right side, the C is flashing. Then you can use the mode button again to switch to Fahrenheit. That is the first set you can do. And if you are pressing and holding the menu button for about 10 seconds, you are able to get into the object mode. This indicates on the right side, on the top side, on the right side of your screen, this house sign. And then you can use it to get temperature measuring of objects, all you like. And if you like to use it on your forehead, touch the forehead, hold start button and scan from your left to right and the right temperature is detected. If you like to get into your ear, you only have to do is remove the cover on the top side and then the device will automatically get in this mode for your ear. That means you remove the protective cap Insert the measuring tip into your ear. Start temperature measurement by using the temperature button. And after 1 second, you have the temperature of your body. Easy as you can see. Automatically shut down after 30 seconds. Accuracy is plus minus 0.3 degrees Celsius. It has a memory function on board and it needs 2 AAA batteries. Oh yeah, that it is. Easy going. And here you can see the memory functions. Only push the memory button on the bottom side, as you can see. And there are so many different of measurements you can store there to have a look what your temperature is going to go up or go down, etc. So let's press and hold the memory function until we are going to the home temperature mode, and then let's have a check of our fridge and freezer. Let's go. Push the start button and you can see inside there are 7.8 degrees Celsius, that it is. And now let's have to test the freezer. I think this one though does not going very well because this is minus, and minus, as you can see, that is not good. It's too low for the device, but this is okay because it's a thermometer for fever, not for minus degrees Celsius. But here you can see the eggs contains a temperature of 9.9 degrees Celsius. That is nice for the eggs. So that it is nice device, easy to use, 3 options available for your forehead, for your ears, and of course for your eggs, for example. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon.